Alright, we're gonna go down. I almost fainted, bro. I almost fainted. The jump, the bumpiness.
You know, I thought.
Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're heading to one of the UK's most amazing theme parks. It's Chessington World of Adventure. It's not about just the rides. There is so many nature and wildlife as well. Like it's like a little safari there and zoo area. So come along as we explore. I'll stop. I need to find my friends where they are. There's a car park. I'm waiting for them. They should be here in any moment. It's like they said it's going to be about 10 to 15 minutes. Should be here by now. The weather is perfect. Sunny. What could it be more amazing than this? Feels great to be in the sunlight. Hi there. Number one, please. Not with the petrol. You don't get discount. Do you get discount with the petrol? Do you get discount with the petrol?
Really? Everyone will use it. That's a cheeky question.
Thank you. Have a good one, yeah?
Have a good day, yeah?
Alright, time to go with our adventure. You want to say something? You want to be on YouTube? You want to be on YouTube? Huh? Just arrived at the Chessington World. Alright guys, we just made it to Chessington, the World of Adventure. Now we just have to queue up at the ticket counter thing. Just like quick back search, I think they're gonna do, just to check if we're carrying any alcohol or stuff like that. So here it is. We just got in.
Oh, okay.
That's not cat. I know. Looks nice. This is my first time coming to this Chessington World. Lots of things to explore today. Let's see how the day goes. It's so close up as well. If you do like, can they hear us? That's just a tagging thing, I think. Yeah. Bro, they actually look scary when they're close up. We started our journey in the zoo part of the park. We'll just be walking around and watching the animals, and then we'll go towards the park area, like the rides and stuff. Wait, is this like a rhino or something?
I guess. Scared them also. Looking at you, plotting revenge.
That's the resort. Imagine the view from there.
Coming this way.
Oh, it does.
Here is the safari truck, which will be going in the next hour or so. She's already so fed up with the sound. Heading to Jumanji. You don't have to pay now. It's already included with the ticket, no? Then it's cancelled from our list. We're heading towards the riding area.
Alright, I'm gonna hear you scream today. You're gonna be crying.
Alright guys, we just made it to the rides area. Let's see what we can go on the first. I think you have to wait quite a bit longer because they go every 20 minutes to 15 minutes each ride. So there's a quite waiting time. I'm not sure if I'm going to be allowed to record this, but it's already giving us a warning not recording. But also it says warning for motion sickness and dizziness. Let's see. It says reserve to ride. Let's go and queue up for our first ride of the day. There's some nice restaurant there. Unfortunately, we're able to record it because we're not allowed the camera on there. There's a chance of dropping it. But it was a nice ride. I would probably going to go again after, once we're done with other rides. I didn't like that part when they just go up again.
You must be 1.2 meter tall. So
Ah, Sid, I'm sorry.
I have to let you out.
I'm sorry, my friend, you can't get in.
Just that.
And what if we are?
Hey, 195
Am I 6 foot?
is
6 foot? No? Sad. Very unfortunate. Very unfortunate. Do you want to measure yours? We're going to the roller coaster. I'm not sure about this. Let's see how it turns out. That wasn't it. Not my type of ride. Ooh, I almost fainted. I almost fainted, bro. I almost fainted. The jump, the bumpiness.
You know, I thought I'm gonna hit my head.
You know, her head was flying. I thought she's gonna caught something.
Let's go.
This one just stops all of a sudden, no? Oh, that was so... I'm done on this ride. We're going to the rainforest. I'm not sure what this is, but it's probably like a jungle type. Oh, we need to book here like those mini cart. It's a big queue though. It's 15 minutes wait.
Where do we keep our bags?
That's fine, you can take the bags on this, I think.
Do you want to go?
This is quite slow, man, not gonna lie. There's a beaver sleeping. Alright guys, we're heading to this water slide thing. I don't know where the entrance is for that, but we'll figure out. Yo, listen. We can shoot water at people. Yo, if I was to say like Thor Park and Chessington World of Adventure, I would think like the Chessington is more like for kids than like adult, whereas like Thor Park rides are more extremer, I would say. Are you guys ready to go? Come on, guys. Let's go. It's gonna take 5 minutes. We're going to the water thing, the water slide on the boat. All right, let's go. Smooth. I'm worried about the slide though.
There's lots of like.
The turns are very slow. Oh, we're going high. Alright, we're gonna go down.
Did not expect that. Pirates of the Caribbean.
We're gonna go slide again. We're gonna go down slide again. There's gonna be another slide. Hold on tight. Bro, I'm sliding. I'm literally sliding.
Hey,
I'm sliding, bro. Woo! Woo! Oh, we're so high up now. We're so high up. We're so high up. This is going to be amazing, the drop. Are you ready? Aaron, you ready?
Yeah, man.
Flipping up, bro. I'm literally so. Someone just splashed us water, bro. Oh. Oh no, bro. I'm soaking wet, man. It seems like I just took a shower. Some woman just started shooting out water at me. Oh, I mean, at us. Me and my friends weren't there. Like, my whole clothes is soaking wet right now. Huh? Is it? Is it a dryer? Woo! It's still on. Drying ourselves for free.
It's on.
It says full power.
No, but someone already paid for it. Someone already paid for it.
They didn't finish it.
The whole gang is there.
I don't
Try your luck. Try your luck.
I don't know how to do it.
I don't know how to do it. You just move that thing. I could. Yeah. You do.
No, it's okay. I don't have the money to pay.
You want Kevin?
Bad luck, bad luck.
One more try. Sid, you got it.
Go for that. Go for whichever you.
Go for the pony, go for the pony. I literally recorded that on that. This actually looks like a maze. We're just walking around but can't find the entrance for the ride. Just going backwards now. Whoa. Don't forget to smile. The whole thing is made out of wood. This actually looks nice. You should go there. Have to go there. There it is. Oh wow. This looks amazing. Right, we're heading to the Jumanji world. There it is. The world of Jumanji. This roller coaster looks sick. There's some artifacts from the movie, I think. Oh no, this strike looks wild. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. We're about to head home now. And it's been an amazing day, I would say. Like, the weather was perfect. Lots of people. I think the school is off or something like that, but it's been amazing, I would say. That's it for the day then. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace out.